Hi, I'm Dr. Maureen Miller. I'm a Columbia University trained infectious disease epidemiologist and medical anthropologist. I'm interested in the social and behavioral factors that drive infectious disease transmission. In other words, I'm interested in what people do that either spreads or stops disease transmission. So let's talk about this coronavirus. It is one of the sneakiest viruses I have ever seen. An infected person can begin infecting other people 2 to 3 days before they have symptoms themselves, and they remain contagious the entire time that they have symptoms. Even asymptomatic people can transmit the disease to others. Recent estimates from today, in fact, indicate that approximately 10% of the population never gets any symptoms even when they are infected with COVID-19. So they're not a big part, but they can still do it. So the bottom line is that most transmission occurs when people don't know that they're infected. Enter social distancing. Does it matter? Social distancing was an infectious disease control strategy that began in the Middle Ages to fight the Black Plague. So without social distancing, we know that this coronavirus will be transmitted on average to 2 to 3 other people. Let's call that 2.5 other people, because yes, there is some math involved. So those 2.5 people transmit to 2.5 people, and each of those transmits to another 2.5 people. 1 month later, there are 244 cases that began with one COVID-19 infection. That is exponential growth. So with social distancing, what can happen? Well, we can have the transmission rate. So say one person can only transmit to 1.25 other people. So what happens 1 month later? How many cases are there? 4. Yeah, social distancing works. And the most effective method of social distancing? Stay home. Don't go outside unless you absolutely have to go outside. And one last thing that we learned from Wuhan, 75% of the people who became infected with COVID-19 were family members and close friends of initial cases. By not getting infected, you can save the life of someone you love. Be smart, be safe, be well.